Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quality ice cream. We'll start by selecting the finest ingredients. For a truly rich and creamy texture, you'll want to use whole milk, heavy cream, and fresh egg yolks. Sugar is essential for sweetness, and a tiny pinch of salt can actually elevate all the other flavors, making your ice cream taste even more delicious. Choosing quality ingredients is the first crucial step to a fantastic frozen treat. Next, we prepare the custard base, which is the heart of your ice cream. Begin by whisking your egg yolks and sugar together until they are pale yellow and fluffy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat your whole milk and heavy cream until just simmering. Slowly pour about 1/3 of the hot cream mixture into the egg yolks while whisking constantly to temper them. Then, return everything to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Once your custard base is cooked, it's vital to chill it completely. Transfer the warm custard to a clean bowl, cover it, and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours or even overnight. This chilling process is crucial for achieving a smooth texture. After chilling, pour the cold custard into your ice cream maker. Churn it according to your machine's instructions, typically for 20 to 30 minutes, until it reaches the consistency of soft-serve ice cream. After churning, your ice cream will be soft. Carefully transfer it into an airtight container to prevent ice crystals from forming. Place the container in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until it's firm enough to scoop. For the best experience, let your homemade ice cream sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This allows it to soften slightly, enhancing its creamy texture and flavor. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.